Hello student, welcome to all of you. Student, this is lesson 9 and this is poem, and the poem name is Tigers Roaming Freely. Tigers, a animal who is very aggressive, and roaming freely means moving very freely. So in this poem, the poet composed, he's expressing his grief to see the animals. You can see the poet is composed this poem just to convey his message to the human, that how the animals and the wild animals are being treated among the human beings. So he is saying that we should treat them very kind, humanity, and with so much of care. So let's see this poem that is composed by poet names Jennifer Mary Oliver. So here is given the poet. There is a little sanctuary. So students, what is the meaning of sanctuary? Sanctuary means a place where all the animals are kept for protection and safeguard. So there is a little sanctuary not so far away that I would like to visit and see myself someday. So the poet is expressing that there is a sanctuary and that is not so away from his house, and it is his wish that he want to go there someday. It houses all the lost, abandoned, and abused exotic cats and wild ones people used to use. Now, also, he is saying the animals had lost their houses, abandoned and abused. Abandoned मतलब something खंडहर type का. These are the houses, and these are the places where no one is living. You can say it is a kind of non-living place. Exotic cats. Exotic cats means the wild animals. You can say tigers, lions, this kind of exotic cats and wild ones and other animals of the forest. People used to see, जिसे लोग देखना चाहते हैं, whom people are love to see. Their stories are so very sad, but although the animals which give pleasure to people when people see them, but actually what is the story of these animals? The animals story is very sad. These tigers in a cage, because in the zoo the tigers are kept in the cage whose past owners thought these animals belonged in homes or on stays. Because what happened in the zoo? In the zoo, the owner of the zoo kept them in the big cage, and it is the thinking of the owner that these kind of animals should be locked inside the cage. Some had teeth removed so that they couldn't bite, others lost their claw so they could not even strike. And how they kept in the cage in the zoo? Their teeth, उनके जो दांत होते हैं removed यानी हटा दिए जाते हैं, so that they could not bite others, ताकि वो किसी को काट ना सके. Others lost their claws so that they could not even strike. And other animals, you can see the aggressive animal like tiger, lions, and all that, their nails had been इरेडिकेट, यू कैन से रिमूव इट आउट, उनके नाखूनों को हटा दिया गया ताकि वो किसी पर वो अटैक ना कर सके. सम वेयर चेन फॉर देयर होल लाइफ, नॉट इवन लेफ्ट टू रूम. एंड अदर एनिमल्स, दे आर टाई टू दी चेन फॉर ऑल दी लाइफ लाइन. और कुछ ऐसे जानवर हैं जिन्हें हमेशा चेन में बांध के रखा जाता है जीवन भर. बट नाउ डैट दे आर इन दी सेंचुरी, नाउ द पोएट इज सेइंग, बट now they are kept in the sanctuary, a place where they are roaming freely and they are not under the cage. So now the writer, you can say poet is saying कि but now these animals who were in the previous time they were in the zoo, but now they are in the sanctuary, it makes them feel at home. Although sanctuary is not their home, but still these animals would feel like home here. They are treated with humanity and fed the food they need, and in the sanctuary they are being treated with kind, with love, and they are also get food whatever they want to need. They are not forced to perform or even forced to breed. Now here they are not forced to perform as they do in the circus, and here in the sanctuary they are the owner of their own will. These cats are still behind fence, in a enclosed home. Although there are some animals who are still in the sanctuary, they are behind the fence, you can say behind the prison. So I so believe what would be best is to leave wild elements alone A tiger roaming freely across the wild plain. So the writer is saying, you can say poet is saying, कि what is he thinking? He thinks that these animals should live in the forest. A tiger roaming freely across the wild plains is natural at its best because the forest is the natural place of this kind of animals, and more of their life could be saved, and their lives could be saved there, and they can feel safe there, safety there. So student, this is the poem of lesson 9, which name is tiger swimming freely. In this poem the poet is composed and also get a message, sorry, trying to give in a message that we should care the animals very safely, very soundly. And this poem is composed by Jennifer Mary Oliver. I already sent you question answer of this chapter, so repeat and revise this question. Okay, thank you.